Hi everyone, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I have my last stash busting Christmas video. I don't know if I'm going to do another Christmas video before Christmas comes. I might, if I have time, maybe just break out some of my new stuff and make some cards. But I have to clean up. It's a disaster of all the stuff that I got. Plus, I am digging through my things, and I'm doing a big de-stash, which will be coming up very shortly. So Stash Busting Christmas, it's about going in there into my Christmas stash and really using what I have. I have tons of stuff when I used to go Tuesday morning every week. And I had my Snow and Cocoa, which is gone. I had other American Crafts products and Pebbles products, which I either used in any of these videos or they got put in my de-stash, and then quite a bit of that Christmas stuff ended up in the de-stash. I just basically decided to clean it all out. And so last year I had stamped a bunch of things, mostly gnomes. I think these are all the gnomes that I didn't really get to use last year, but I still wanted to play with them. So I stamped them and then I colored them. And then for these projects, I used a mixture of paper from, I didn't show this in my last video, but I used the same paper for that video as well. Santa's Workshop. And so I'm getting through this paper, not too much left of it. Santa's Workshop. I use my cat scrappiness dies to kind of give decorative edges. And then the only thing I really had to do besides, using the cat scrappiness dies is, and a little bit of paper, is the sentiments, because everything else was done. So I made a lot of cards very, very quickly. These ones, I'm imagining that these ones will be thank you cards. My kids can send thank you cards out because, you can send winter cards out as thank you cards for sure. So this one is Let It Snow. And then this one says just North Pole. I decided not to do a sentiment on this one. And this one says, Let It Snow. And then this one says, Thank you. And then this one just says, Peace and Joy. Decided not to do a sentiment on that one because I liked how that looked. And then this one says, Thank you. And so like this one is like a Santa-looking gnome riding a reindeer. And then like a gnome winter house, and it just says, Thank you. And so these cards, I'm imagining, at least at this point, that we're going to use these as thank you cards, so my kids can write thank you cards to their relatives for their Christmas gifts. And so that is my Stash Busting Christmas. I really have busted my stash. I think all that I have left is like glitter, snowflakes, and that sort of thing. Mostly everything else I end up destashing just because it's time to clean it out and either start over or just not have as much stash, I think, is maybe what I need to do. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a nice holiday. There's still time to get a holiday card in the mail. I don't see why these couldn't be Happy New Year's cards as well. So go ahead and give me an email at scoop71@yahoo.com with your mailing address, and I will mail out a card to you, wishing you a happy holiday. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.